Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I want to show us how we can find the total area of this diagram solution. Right, so this diagram we have a square with a dimension of 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter, and we have 4 semicircles. This is a semicircle, a semicircle, a semicircle, and a semicircle. Right, so total we have a square, and then we have 4 semicircles. Okay, for us to find the area of this shape, we have to find the area of the square, then we add it to the areas of the 4 semicircles that we have. Now, what is area of a square? Let's start with the area of a square. Area of a square is length times length. Okay, so this would be length times length, and then area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle is half area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square, then area of a semicircle will be half pi r square. Alright, so what do we have? We have the length of the square to be 14 centimeter. So the length is 14 centimeter, and then the radius of this semicircle will be 7. Alright, how is it 7? We have from here to here to be the diameter of the circle, and then from here to this place is half of 14. So it means the radius of the semicircle or the circle will be 7 centimeter. So the radius is 7 centimeter. Alright, so now let's start with calculating the area of the square. Area of the square, say it is length times length. That will be 14 times 14. So now the area of the square will be 14 times 14, which gives us 196 meters square. Okay, now let's find the area of the 4 semicircles. Area of the 4 semicircles. Now area of the semicircles, we have 4 of them. That will be 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 pi r square. Okay, then 1 over 2, what is pi? Pi is 22 over 7. Then the radius is 7. So 7 square means 7 times 7. Alright, so then we have 1 over 2. This 7 here, we cancel this 7. Alright, and then we have 22 over 1, then 7 over 1. Also, we can say these 2 here, cancel these 2, this 22, we have 11. So at the end, we have 4 times 11 times 7. Okay, and finally 4 times 11 times 7. And if you multiply this, it will give us 308, and that is 308 meters square. That's the area of the semicircle. The total surface area or total area of that shape equals to, don't forget, area of the square, and we calculated the area of the square to be 196 meters square. Okay, so that will be 196 meters square plus the area of the semicircles, the 4 semicircles, which is 308 meters square. Okay, so by the time we add this together, it will give us 504 meters square. Alright, so the area of the shape, this shape, okay, where we have a square and 4 semicircles, the area of the shape is 504 meters square. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.